Hello guys, welcome back. Today I am going to launch Lexora Legal for law firm website. You can check what is included in this template. Okay, let's see. You can read the description about the Lexora template or law firm. You can see who is this for, law firm, attorney, advocate, and so on. See what is included. You can see when you click here, you will get the preview of the template, or you can just click here to get the preview. See home page. You can see the hero section, about the us or the firm. You can see it is the know more about us, practice area, corporate and MA, complex litigation, and so on. See the all practice area in detail. See our approaches. You can add your here. People, attorney of unusual conviction. You can see all attorney. You can add more. I will show you how. You can see insights. And here the last final CTA and footer area. Now see the form or about us page. About the firm, you can see hero section, our story, our values, and milestone, and leadership partner. About your work and years of partnership, integrated practice, and global office. And now we are going to see the practice area. You can see we have 6. You can add more if you have. See, all are there. Here is the experiences, success stories, professional, lawyers, and client review. You can add according to your requirement and final CTA. Now go to attorney. See the hero section. When you click it, you will get a single page for your attorney. You can see, click here and see attorney for your Marcus partner, and you will get all detail here. And click here, you will get another partner's details page. I will show you how to edit. For now I am going to next, insights or your blogs. Click here and get your details. Now you can see the category or archive, private client, and so on. You can see you can get intellectual properties, and click here and you will get the details or insight. And click here about your lawyer or about the author. You can see, you can write here. And now see the consultation or contact us page. You can see you have details, practice area, and your email, and how can we help you. You can add text mode here, call us button, email us, and your address, response time, and office globally. You can add more if you have, and the rest footer. Now I am going to show you how to import it and download and import it, and we will upload here demo website, right? See, here is nothing on the demo website. Now how you can buy it, just click here and buy it. You will get template, and let's show the template here, download file and template. You will get this template, unzip it, and you will see documentation. Click it, and you have 2 files, GeneratePress settings and legal template. You need to upload it according to requirement. Now we need GeneratePress premium theme, GenerateBlocks, and contact form. I have already installed it. You can see here See, I have already installed it. You need to install it. Next, go to GeneratePress setting. Activate all modules and import GeneratePress setting. Go to GeneratePress, and here is the modules. You need to activate it. Click it and activate all. I am going to do it. Okay, now all is done. Now you need to import. See, here is import. See, here this GeneratePress setting. Click import. Okay, and see, it is imported. Now next, go to tools, import, install WP WordPress and run importer. Tools, import, run importer, and choose your template here, Luxora template. See, it is there, Luxora template. And import file, I choose your user or create new and select both option. Okay, select your user or create new, click it here and submit. Have fun. All done. We are going to next. See, menus, main menus, and select primary and off camera and save. Here is the image you can see. Go menus, select primary, off camera. Next, go to setting and reading, make it statics. You can see here is the also images. Home for the home, post page for the insights. Make it 6 for the 2 row and 3 column and save it. Next, done. Now go to the 6 element, open each element, appearance element. If there are any attempt recovery, click it and save it. It is one time process because it is not detecting a new site data, so it will detect. Go here, element. It has no attempt recovery because it is a CSS. And see, it has attempt recovery. Click it. It will see, it is attempt recovery and done. Attempt recovery and save it. Now we will go for the see, attempt recovery and save. Now next, go to the next, attempt recovery, attempt and save it. Now inside blocks, attempt recovery and done. And layout, I think no. Attempt recovery, go to no search result. Okay, attempt recovery and save it. Now we are going for the next. See, right sidebar, no attempt recovery, leave it. Go to search result, attempt recovery and save it. Not a single post in site. No attempt recovery, leave it. Now we have done our first process for the element, and next it is all done. Okay, now we are going to refresh the demo. You can see demo site. You can see here this is a demo, but it will all change. We need to add our logo here. I'm going here and I'm going to previous logo. You can add your required logo here and skip it. See, now it is done. Now you can see all the pages are imported just in 10 minutes. You can see, and your website is ready. I will add, if you want to buy it, I will add this link on my YouTube channel. In description, you can buy it. You can see the live preview of the website like you can see here, and your documentation here, YouTube documentation, or you will get a file here, documentation for PDF too. If you have any problem, you can see it. Okay, you can buy it from here. Okay, thank you.